Hi guys, my name is Kelly and I'm a full-time reseller on sites like Poshmark and ThredUp. My store and Instagram name are both rebel_rose_co. Today I'm just doing another quick thrift haul. These things were all thrifted a little while ago, but I'm getting to list them now. So I just want to show you guys them. I don't have like cost of goods for each item. They were all under $10. Most of them were under $5. I just want to show you guys before I listed them. If you like this kind of video, if you could give it a thumbs up and comment your favorite thrifted item and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. It would mean a lot to me. I just reached 500 subscribers, so that means so much to me. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed to me. I really appreciate it. Okay, so first item is Diane Von Furstenberg. It is 71% silk. It's like a leopard print. The style is a little bit dated, the short sleeve blazer, but I'm gonna put in the description like Y2K 90s inspired, because this definitely reminds me of like the 90s. But yeah, it's like a leopard print silk blazer. It's in like perfect condition. Okay, the next item, soft. I had one of these in my last hauls, so you should go watch that haul if you haven't already. I never know how to say it. Soft Joie. Joie. I also have, I forgot to grab it, 100% linen shirt by them. They retail for a ton of money, not always reselling for a ton of money, but this is just like sort of casual dress. It has like a heathered look. It has tassels. Is in really good condition. It has a drop waist. It's one of those brands that I'll pick up if it's cheap enough, but I won't pay up for it. Okay, next is Eileen Fisher. I actually had gotten this for myself, but it wasn't really the look I wanted. There's the tag. I think it's linen. Yeah, 52% linen. It has a little bit of wear, but it's perfect for summer because it's very like lightweight and sheer for like later in the days when it gets a little bit cold. Next is a pair of Eileen Fisher pants. I normally would send these into ThredUp. I can sell Eileen Fisher for a lot on ThredUp. I'm trying to list things in my closet and not send to ThredUp for a little bit. But these are just basic black pants. If you're listing stuff like this, you should definitely put lag and look in your description. That's a good keyword. Okay, next the brand is Anna Sue. It's white on white, so hopefully you can see it. This is a designer brand. This style is also a little bit dated. I think maybe the same person donated some of this stuff because some of it is like really nice brands, so it's just a little bit of like a dated style. It's silk, it's floral. I had a skirt by them that I had gotten at the Salvation Army like a year or two ago. It was embroidered by them. If you look in my closet, you can see and it only sold for $35, I think, but it was super cute and it got a lot of attention. So I'll probably list this at like $50 and just see what happens. Next is Victoria's Secret Gold Label, which is their vintage stuff. I've only found this a couple of times. It's just a cotton striped robe, but it was only a couple bucks and it's the gold label. So if this was like regular Victoria's Secret, I wouldn't pay more than like $3 for like a cotton robe, but yeah, I'm super excited to see how this does. Next, this is a 100% silk dress. I'm pretty sure it's vintage. The brand is Nilani. It has, so it's 100% silk. It has these poofy like peasant style sleeves and it's leopard print. It's like very hard to tell up close, so I guess I can hold it back. But yeah, it's leopard print. I think it's like a midi dress. I'm sitting down so I can't tell, but it's in super good condition. I'm almost positive it's vintage, so I'm gonna list that high and see what I could get for it. Next is the brand Cabby. I don't sell Cabby a whole ton, but this was new with tags and they're really nice. I think it's like kind of like a herringbone print. They're just gray dress pants. Since they were new with tags, I definitely picked them up for, it was just a couple bucks. So I'm excited to see how those do. Next is Rebecca Taylor. There's the tag. I've never seen this tag before. This is just like a jacket. Rebecca Taylor retails for a ton. Doesn't always resell for a ton, but this is cute. It was pretty cheap, so I picked it up. It's a little bit cropped, just like a casual jacket. A couple of these do still have the price tags on them. So I went to, there's like a small thrift store near me and everything was half off, or the clothes were half off. So the brand is POL. I don't know if you can even see that. Ugh, the tag's in the way. POL, and this is just a tag from a boutique in my town, Apricot Lane. It says they retailed for $59. They were $3, but I got them for $150. It's like a sweater skirt, kinda. It's a midi skirt. This might sit for a little bit because it's like summertime, but $1.50 for something that was new with tags for $60. I'm fine with that. Could probably sell it for like $30. Okay, we got another Eileen Fisher piece. There's the tag. It has this, this is after I've stained it. So I think that it's like supposed to look like this, like crinkled, because I steamed this twice. So, yeah, I'm not sure actually. This is a brand that I very rarely pick up and tailor. It doesn't have the tags on anymore. It was only $1, but it's this really pretty blue and it's a silk blend. So I pretty much picked it up because it was silk and it was this really pretty like powder blue color. It's a pair of sweatpants. The brand is Sundry. I never know how to say it. I just sold a dress by them this month for $50, $40. It has like a lightning bolt, but yeah, they're just basic sweatpants. So I am excited to see how those do. Okay, next is another brand that I don't pick up often. I know some people have really good luck selling J. Crew. I do not, but this was also at that one sale, so it was normally $1. I think it was, so it's 50 cents. It's new with tags. It really is a really cute skirt. It's like a mini skirt with this like asymmetrical like hem, and yeah, new with tags. It doesn't have a price on it, but new with tags for 50 cents. I can't pass that up. Next is the brand Wilfred Free. This brand is sold out of Aritzia. It's very expensive. This shirt, I think it's made to look worn because it's in good condition, but it's like a very faded, like not plaid, like checked print, and there's the tag. So yeah, I'll probably list this at like $40 and see. Okay, this is another one that I think came from that person who's had all the nice brands of stuff that with like a little bit of a dated look. So this brand is Barashi, and I have something from them listed in my closet, and it's Joanna Barashi, but this is the tag. It's pretty expensive, but this is a pretty dated style. This is like literally what I would have worn to like homecoming in high school, but someone will want it. And it's floral, it has a cute little bow. So I'm definitely gonna put the words 90s Y2K style in there. Okay, we got Postmark, which is sold at Anthropologie. The brand is Postmark. This is very soft. It has dolman sleeves, very low cut. This would be a great swimsuit cover up. It's cinched at the bottom. Okay, we have some really good items coming up, so keep watching. Okay, next is BB Dakota. This is another brand I don't pick up super often, but this is 100% Tencel Lysol, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's 100% Tencel, and it's crazy soft. It's like this draped vest, like utility style kind of. So I think this will do pretty good based on style. This was, so the tags on it. So it was $1, but it was half off from that one store. The font reminds me of Ray Dunn. It says, first I drink the coffee, then I do the things. The brand is Anvil. I don't know what that is. I think this is like, you know, some people get stuff printed on like Bella Canvas shirts, and then they're just sold at like boutiques or wherever. So I think this is like that. So I'm excited to list that. I'll probably get like 20, 25 maybe. Okay, next I found two exclusively Misook pieces. They're new with tags. They were also from that half off sale. So this is a black skirt. All their stuff is always made of acrylic. The tag, oop, I have it backwards. there's the tag. And then it was new with tags. It was $7, so it's half off of that for new with tags, exclusively Misook. So super happy with that. This is one of those brands. This has a security tag on it still. This is one of the brands where it's kind of hard to tell. Like, I have sold some Misook for pretty high, and I've also sold some for not too much, but these are new with tags, so I think they'll do good. This is exclusively Misook Woman. I don't know if that's like a different line. It has polka dots. It's just like a blazer jacket. It was new with tags for $7, half off that. I'm gonna have to do in the listing that it does have the security tag, so yeah. Okay, this was also from that sale. It's a really pretty like pink coral color satin dress. Brand is Favlux. It's new with tags for $40, and it was $4, so it's half off. I just realized though that they wrote the $4 on top of the $40, so for me when I was buying this. This is just like a not expensive brand, I don't know, but it's a really cute dress. It has that cute draped neckline, and it has like ruffles. This looks like the kind of stuff that Dua Lipa has been wearing. So yeah, I think this will sell based on style. It kind of sucks that they wrote the price tag over the thrift store price over the other price, but that's okay. This was 50 cents and it was half off, so it was 25 cents. It's Bella Doll. I have never sold this brand. I have one piece that's on its way to ThredUp. It's very expensive, like almost $200. It's just a plain plaid button-up shirt, and it has this cool raw fringe hemline. So yeah, I'm excited to list this. I've never sold this brand before. It's also very soft. Okay, this is just H&M, and it was, I'm not sure, I must have taken the tag off. It was $1 at that same thrift store, so it was 50 cents. I picked it up based on style. I don't sell a whole lot of H&M, but it has these mesh sleeves, and it has gold floral embroidery, so I definitely picked that up due to the style. This was also 50 cents, and so it was half off. It was 25 cents. It's a very, very old style Lululemon. There's a Lululemon. I remember when I first started reselling, I found a ton of these. I would never find Lululemon, and I went to a thrift store and I found a bunch of Lululemon like in these old styles for like $12 or $14, and I bought them all. So yeah, don't pay more than $1 for this style, because I'm probably gonna sell this for like 15 bucks or maybe 10 bucks. But it's Lululemon, so it'll bring attention to my closet. Kenar, it's new with Marshall's tags. It was $2, so I only paid $1 for it. This brand can retail for a decent amount. But yeah, it was new with tags, and it was only $1, so I was excited to get it. Okay, next, I did mention these in one of my other thrift videos where I had a Joan and David coat. This is a set. It is a skirt. It's like a tweed boucle. I think it's wool. It's an Italian. Yeah, it's wool. The size is 40/6, which is the 40 is Italian. I think it might be vintage, but this is the skirt, and this is the jacket. These retailed for a lot of money. I hope that I'll be able to sell them for a lot of money. Okay, the very last item, this I thrifted 1.5 years ago. I actually bought it on Poshmark to sell, paid way too much money for it, but I'm relisting it, that's why it's here. It's Zac Posen, and it is new with tags, retailed, I don't know if I have it on here, but for around $1,000. So it's like this geometric, and it's like a neoprene feel. For a little while, this also gives me like 90s vibes. For a while, this was like the dress that a lot of celebrities wore, and they wore a lot of these like bodycon Zac Posen dresses. So yeah, I'm gonna relist that and take new pictures, and hopefully it goes well. Thank you so much for watching. If you got this far, if you could give this video a like, a comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. I really appreciate you guys watching. Bye.